My name is Jackstien. I am product manager for film and location lighting at ARRI. I would like to shortly introduce you in some new products from our HMI range. First we have the M40. This is a new fixture from our very successful Max family. And second we have the highspeed ballast. This is a range of ballasts that we especially developed for digital high-speed photography. Let's start with a look at the M40. M40 is like our other Max units, the big ARRI Max and the smaller M18, kind of a lensless par light. So this is a unit that works without any lenses. It's just a reflector that you can use, and without the lenses you have some great advantages with this unit compared to a typical par light. For example, we have, in reducing one optical element, in reducing the lens, we have a much higher light output compared to an ARRI sun. And of course, if you don't need the lenses, you don't have to buy them, you don't have to carry them, and you don't have to store them in your rental and in your truck. Maybe the most important advantage for an ARRI Max unit is that you can speed up your workflow. Compared to an ARRI sun, with the old technique, you always had to change lenses if you want to adjust something with the beam. Now with the M40, you just, with a single turn of a little knob, you adjust the beam angle, and so in fact, in meaning of focusing, it behaves like a Fresnel unit, but with a much higher efficiency. Compared to the old ARRI sun, we have this new specially designed reflector. It didn't get any bigger, so it's the same size as the old ARRI sun, but we reduced the weight. This is especially nice because with the old ARRI sun you would have to add the weight of the lens normally, so this is even more reduced the weight with now the M40. The whole range of the focusing is from 80 degrees spot to 52 degrees flat, so it's a really huge range. And what we kept from old ARRI sun, that you can also use 2.5K bulbs. This is very nice, especially in 330 volt countries, as in these countries you can plug 2.5K directly into the wall. Now let's jump to the 1000 Hz high-speed ballast, a new range of ARRI ballasts. As you might know, all electronic ballasts from ARRI always had a flicker-free mode. This mode works with 75 Hz normally. This is very fine for flicker-free shooting up to 150 frames per second. If you want to shoot above this frame rate, some flicker might arise. So now we have this new range. This works with 1000 Hz. It's another mode. You see it on the upper left. A new mode which leads you to 1000 Hz. And in this mode you can clearly shoot up to 1500 frames per second without any flicker. You can also go above this range. If you just diffuse the light a little bit or you use more than one fixture, you can surely shoot up to 3000 or 5000 frames per second, no problem. The whole range now consists of 5 different models. Its wattage range is from 125 to 4000 watts. So that's the ARRI high-speed range and the new M40 from our HMI section. I would like to thank you.